Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom house for sale. It sits on zero point 0.3 acres of land. This well maintained property combines charm, functionality, and a natural touch with its lush surroundings. Perfect for a family or anyone looking for a peaceful yet accessible location. Situated in a serene and friendly neighborhood, only 2 minutes from Black River Hospital. Living spaces are bright and airy. Large kitchen, cozy veranda, lovely back patio, perfect for relaxation and entertaining. Proximity to a mineral spring, offering possible recreation and relaxation opportunities. Open parking for convenience, storage at the back for extra utility, a variety of fruit trees including mango, breadfruit, bananas, papaya, and corn. Make contact now to learn more or schedule a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 23 million or US $146.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.